Everyone, if you want to live a long and healthy life, there's one food you must include in your diet. This small yet powerful ingredient can build muscle, protect your heart, and even help prevent cancer. The difference between those who eat this food regularly and those who don't. Their health will be completely different in 10 years. But despite its incredible benefits, many people overlook it. That food is soybeans. Soybeans? Aren't they just something you throw in rice? If that's what you're thinking, you need to watch this video until the end. Understanding soybeans and eating them properly can transform your health. Today, I'll reveal the hidden benefits of soybeans and the best ways to consume them. The amazing benefits of soybeans. First, the king of protein. Soybeans help build muscle and maintain a healthy body. Soybeans are one of the richest plant-based sources of protein. In fact, they contain as much protein as beef or chicken, but without the unhealthy saturated fats. If you work out or want to increase muscle mass, soybeans are a must-have in your diet. They are also perfect for weight loss, as they keep you full longer, while being low in calories. Second, soybeans support heart health and keep blood vessels clean. Soybeans are rich in healthy unsaturated fats and lecithin, which help reduce bad cholesterol and maintain clear, healthy arteries. They also contain isoflavones, which help regulate blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. A Harvard University study even found that people who consume soybeans regularly have a lower risk of cardiovascular diseases. If you have high blood pressure or are concerned about heart health, it's time to start adding soybeans to your diet. Third, soybeans can help prevent cancer, especially for women. There's a reason soybeans are particularly important for women. They contain isoflavones, which act similarly to estrogen in the body. This means they can help balance hormones, ease menopause symptoms, and even reduce the risk of osteoporosis. Studies also show that women who consume soy regularly have a lower risk of breast cancer. And for men, soybeans contain genistein, which supports prostate health and may help prevent prostate cancer. How to eat soybeans for maximum benefits. Most people only eat soybeans in rice or as soy sauce, but there are many better ways to incorporate them into your diet. Soy milk. This is one of the simplest yet most powerful ways to consume soybeans. But be careful, many store-bought soy milks contain high amounts of added sugar. For the best health benefits, choose unsweetened soy milk or make it at home. Drinking a glass of soy milk in the morning on an empty stomach helps maximize protein absorption and keeps you full for longer, making it great for weight management. Soybean sprout salad. Soybean sprouts are rich in vitamin C, which boosts the immune system. The root part of the sprouts also contains asparagine, which helps with hangover recovery. Preparing them is simple. Just blanch the sprouts and mix them with sesame oil, minced garlic, salt, and sesame seeds for a delicious and nutritious side dish. Soybean paste stew 된장찌개. Soybean paste is a fermented superfood made from soybeans. During fermentation, healthy probiotics are produced, which improve gut health. Additionally, fermented soybeans have strong antioxidant properties, helping to slow aging. For a healthier stew, use natural kelp broth instead of artificial seasonings like MSG. It's time to see soybeans differently. Now you know they're not just a simple grain. Soybeans help build muscle, protect heart health, balance hormones, strengthen the immune system, and even prevent cancer. They are a complete superfood that your body needs. This isn't something you should overlook. Adding soybeans to your daily diet can completely transform your health. Starting today, make soybeans a regular part of your meals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And stay tuned for more incredible health tips and recipes in the next video. See you soon.